What's up, guys? Trailbound Chris here. And this last ride we went on, it was super muddy, riding in the rain and the clay mud, and that stuff just kills your wheel bearings. That clay just gets in there, and then when you're pressure washing, you're trying to like not get in the wheel bearings, but you end up having to kind of pressure wash around them, and you get all the water out, you get all the dirt out, but you end up kind of screwing up your wheels. So I'm going to repack these wheel bearings. I really need to replace them. They're starting to rattle around, but I don't have the proper tool to do that. So I'm going to try to repack these just to kind of get a couple more rides out of them, maybe one more ride, and then I will change the wheel bearings. So this seal clip, I didn't want to have a whole tool in my bag all the time, taking up all the space. So I just got this one with a little socket extension, and you just put the wrench on it, and it works just as good, I think. I'm all about kind of being minimal. Tools I don't use very often. There we go. Oh yeah, look at all that mud. Boy, that's a lot of creek dirt right there. Alright, so you gotta have the special tool to get the circlip out. And basically, get some more light going on over here. Oh, I just don't want this to go flying. And that's all you gotta do. So now, I will clean this bearing a little bit better. And just kind of take an awl or something tiny. Just pop this sucker up. Get up in there. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh yeah. That looks nice, doesn't it? I really need to do these bearings, but I don't have the socket to hit my new bearings on. And I don't want to chance it with the mallet, because that could potentially not work if it doesn't seat in straight. So I want to be able to ride tomorrow. And of course I left this last minute. So I'm gonna stuff some waterproof grease in there. And we'll just clean this up a little bit before we put that seal back in. Just pop this in. Should seat in there nicely. Now we'll just get a thin grease after we clean this out. There's a little wire in here, so don't get too crazy with the awl cleaning this gunk out. You want to clean this mud out because you're going to put some grease up in there. So you just want to use like a thin lithium grease or some seal grease or something like that. Just kind of pack it in there. I don't know that you need a ton. And we'll just pop it in there. And yeah, we'll see if that fixed my bearing shake or not. Might not, but you know, kind of worth a shot, I think. Yeah! So the idea is that I think with my 2019 KTM, I'm going to start repacking the wheel bearings like I did here after every rainy ride, and then maybe every 20 hours, I say. And I'm gonna see if that kind of makes the wheel bearings last longer. Typically, I redo my wheel bearings at every 100 hours. They start rattling around, and I just really have to change them out. So I hope this helped you guys. Try it out. Repack your wheel bearings. Try to stay on that maintenance stuff. And I'll do a video on how to change out your wheel bearings too, because that's you definitely have to do that if you're putting in time on the bike. You'll feel a rattle around, and it just kills your heart to think you're riding around and metal on metal moving around like that. You know, you want your stuff to be dialed. You want it to roll clean. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Hit us up on Instagram at Trailbound Co. Subscribe on YouTube, and we'll see you on down the trail.